Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, haircare, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And my niche is drugstore. I love me a good drugstore makeup. So if anything interests you, so please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. So as you guys know, I was doing this ranking series on my channel, and then the festive season arrived and I kind of stopped doing it because I was doing a lot of first impressions and all. But in a way it was a great thing because I have tried some new brands and all, and now I have different opinion about highlighters in general. So today we are ranking my highlighters. So yeah, if you are interested in knowing my top 5 highlighter recommendation, keep on watching. Okay, this was really tough. I love them all, but it was really difficult to choose top 5. Now if you don't know, I research a lot, and there are very rare that I don't like a product. So if they are also my top 5, they are still all my favorite. So yeah, if you want to know what are my top 5 highlighter recommendation, keep on watching. Okay, on the 5th position, it is tough, you guys. So I'm ranking this as my 5th favorite, and this is the Sugar Contour de Force highlighter, and this is the Champagne Champion. As you can see, this is so used. I love this. Now if you are someone who love blinding highlighters, this is not for you. This is a very within sort of a champagne shade. This will give you like no makeup sort of look. So yeah, if you want something for simple looks, this can be a really good pick. And also guys, you can see it is a champagne shade, kind of on the white base. So if you are around my skin tone, this will look good. Otherwise they have 5 shades. I don't know, Sugar is a really good brand, by the way. They have so many shades. So there are gold, there are light gold, so there are rosy gold, so there are so many shades in this. You can pick and choose. On and on, I will really recommend you their mini blushes. This is also in their palette, but I love my singles, so I bought them separately. You can save your money if you buy the kit. There is a blush, bronzer and highlighter. You can save your money by investing in that. This was like 400 rupees, but this is really good. On sale you will get a good discount on this. So yeah, okay, it is so tough. Okay, next is I'm ranking this Inside this Inside highlighter. So this is their cream one, but the stick one, I wanted to get their 90 rupees one, but it is always out of stock. I am like, all the trendy products will always be out of stock. So yeah, I bought this from Nykaa when I was just browsing around it. So this is the shade Rose Gold, and this is such a pretty rose gold shade, and this is also not a blinding highlighter. So you can see a pattern of my favorites now. So this is also a very subtle sort of within sort of this will give you that within sort of a glow. And since this is not white base, this is a gold, but this is a rose gold, so you can see the pink shift, I hope. Yeah, so this is a rose gold shade. So if you are looking for a rose gold highlighter, this was 220 rupees I think, and you get a lot of quantity in this. This is like 7.5 grams, and this will last you like till eternity. The thing is, this one is like you cannot build this up. This will, if you will apply 20 times, 10 times, this will still give you like a within sort of a glow. You cannot build this up. So this is really good for people who don't want that out there makeup, they want subtle makeup. So yeah, I really love this. I will highly recommend you this. And I know their cream pan one is really trendy right now, but that is always out of stock, so you can get this one. This one is also good, but a lot more expensive than the 90 rupees one, I know. So yeah, now the next one, I will insert a close up because mine came shattered. Yeah, from like this I can show you. So as you can see, it is broken. This is a blinding highlighter. This is the Swiss Beauty Fusion one. Everybody is comparing it with duping it with the infamous, what is that, Champagne Pop. Yeah, the Champagne Pop by Becca. I don't own it because it is 1400 rupees for the mini highlight. So yeah, I have this, and this is really blinding, really blinding. Now this is a champagne shade that will suit, you know, almost any Indian complexion. You can see the difference. This one is a very white based one, this is a gold based one, so there is a huge you know, difference. But on and all, a really good dupe for the Becca highlighter. Now Becca is out of business, so you can grab this one, and this one was like 200 rupees, I think. So yeah, I got it for free because this was broken. Yeah. So now the very famous, you know, everybody and their mother was raving about this. This is the Mega Glow Wet n Wild Mega Glow Precious Petal. Now this is the Thorn. This was my tip-top favorite, and now this is not my tip-top favorite, but you can see I have used it so much. And this is now on my second position, and this is also a good, you know, as you can see, this is a gold but a pinky sort of a gold highlight, really pretty. This will also suit every skin tone, and this is like buildable to blinding. You can you know, keep it subtle, you can make it blinding. So if you want like on and on a single product that will be, you know, give you that within sort of a glow, blinding glow, you can grab this one. And when I bought this was 250. Now this is 700, I think. So Wet n Wild has just you know, increased their prices in India. I don't know why, but it's still a very pretty. Really, the formula is buttery smooth. You know, really the formula is buttery smooth, it glides like butter, and this, when you touch it, you will feel like a buttery you know, feel. Whereas the Swiss Beauty one is a baked formula, and baked formulas are drier in, you know, by nature. So yeah, just to let you know, I'm giving you a heads up. You that is more expensive for a reason, you know, it's a really good formula. Okay, so the highlighter which dethroned my Wet n Wild one is, you know, can you guys guess? It is the Mars one. First of all, the packaging is so luxe, so pretty, and the product, you know, inside packaging is also really pretty. So this is a rose gold shade, and this is also that within sort of a highlight, but this is a really pretty rose gold shade, and I love it. You can this is the highlight that I have ever since I bought it. I cannot stop using it, and it is a really good highlight, and it is like 200 when I bought it. You are getting a luxury packaging, a really good formula. Now when you will touch it, it is not the smoothest, I'm not going to lie. The Wet n Wild one, when you will touch it, you will feel like a buttery you know, texture. This is not that smooth, but the finish this give is really pretty. The glow is really pretty, and you can again build this up. You can keep it subtle, you can make it blinding, and I think this is a must have. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to like this video. Comment down below which highlighter is your top favorite. I know many of you might have already bought the Wet n Wild one. It is a really oldie but a goodie kind of product. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.